Rob Frazier here. This video, I'm going to talk about 3 tools that I use to promote my business offline. And I'm trying to talk quiet because my kiddo is on his way to sleep and my voice carries. But anyways, the 3 programs, the 3 tools, each of these 3 things have affiliate sides to them. Actually, there's 4 pieces to this whole puzzle. But this is how I promote my business offline. And marketing, you always have to zig when people are zagging. And when people are all zagging, you have to zig. You just always have to do something a little bit different to stand out. So what I do, Matrix Pro Leads. One of the products is leads, buyer leads. That's one of the products. And you either get 100, 250, I think they have a package of 500 and 1,000. And so you'll get these every single month. Whenever you become a member, from that day, the next 2-3 days, they'll send you your leads. Now, one of their leads, or one of their lead packages, comes with name, addresses, things like that. It's been scrubbed against the do not mail list, and basically you're getting solid leads. I'm not going to talk about the whole company because you can get details from the link underneath this video, but Matrix Pro Leads is the first place. I go there, I buy leads, names, addresses, things like that. Okay, that's fine. How do I contact them? Well, I use their sister company, Print Founders, and it's very simple. I come down here to postcards, I click on postcards. This is just exactly what I do. Now I come down here, I buy the leads from Matrix Pro Leads, I get my package of leads, right? And then from Print Founders, I order postcards. That's how I'm going to get in contact with those leads. I'm not calling them unless I want to. I'm sending them a postcard. What postcard? This postcard right here that promotes Textbot Ai, which is my 3rd piece of this whole puzzle. So we have Matrix Pro Leads, that's where I go to get my leads. I have Print Founders, that's where I go to get my postcards to reach out to those leads. And from there, those leads, I get the peel and stick label, place it on this postcard, and I send it out to them. This card, obviously, this is just what it looks like, but with your own Textbot number, you can put it right here on a card, and on the back you can put your website. So you give people different ways of reaching you, which is, again, the name of the game in marketing. So you put your Textbot AI number down here, which is the 3rd tool, and then you can also put your domain. So one of my domains is getcompletefreedom.com. Getcompletefreedom.com is linked to this page right here, which is the 4th piece, My Capture Page. This My Capture Page system is how I promote Textbot online, is how I promote Matrix Pro Leads online. This is a My Capture Page. This is an example of what the Textbot page looks like. In fact, that's my Textbot number. But it's very simple. I go to Matrix Pro Leads. I order my leads for the month. As soon as I get the leads delivered, I already have these postcards ordered. And I already have them customized. So as soon as I get those leads, I take the peel and stick labels off, place it on a postcard, send it in the mail. I have my Textbot number, so when people will text my number, this number right here, the bot will start a conversation and will also promote my primary business over time. And also on these postcards, I'll have a link to my domain, which is linked to this page, because some people may not want to text, some people may not want to call, but if those people want to go to my website, they can go to my website here, opt in, and come into my world that way. And so Textbot is what eventually promotes my primary business affiliate marketing system to the people who text me, who call me, or who come to my website here and opt into my page. So again, Matrix Pro Leads, Print Founders, Textbot, and my capture page. This right here is what my capture page is. Again, it's capture pages, sales pages, things like that, but that's like my hub. That's how I promote everything. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you got any value, leave me some comments below. Never mind the fly buzzing around my computer screen here. Again, apologies for trying to talk low because I think my kiddo is on his way to sleep and I think my voice keeps him awake. If you want more information, again, the information is below this video. Click it. More than likely, I'll send you, you'll probably see this capture page, or in fact, I'll send you to my Matrix Pro Leads capture page. And I'm going to just show you exactly where I'm getting it. I'm coming down here. I'm going to just scroll down here, and this is all of the different companies you can promote with my capture page. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put this link underneath the YouTube description as well. So again, very simple, very straightforward. I talk about lead generation. I send people to this website. They'll opt in. They'll learn about Matrix Pro Leads. And then they'll see this video about how I connect these other 4 pieces. And this is how I promote my business offline. I'm not doing Facebook all day. I'm not losing my mind trying to blog and do YouTube, which I do, but I don't lose my mind doing it 24/7. And very simple, very easy, very straightforward way that anyone can use to promote anything you want. Again, with Textbot, people will get text messages automatically, and they'll automatically promote your primary business, which I'll cover that in a future video. My name is Rob Frazier. If you got any value, let me know. See you in the next video.